All right, this is Pat with Ocean Grove Duca again doing this request, the video. So this is basically a heat transfer paper, something that you are gonna use a heat press to apply to your shirt. Now, if it's a hot peel and you don't peel it off in time, or it's a few reasons this can happen, your paper may get stuck. Quick fix, don't throw that transfer away. Get you a damp towel and rub it out because it is paper at the end of the day. So sometimes you may have to re-wet your rag a couple of times depending on how big that design is. But basically you're going to take that damp towel and rub that paper off until you're satisfied. At times you're going to have to apply a little pressure, but again, all you need is water, a towel, and a little elbow grease, and get that off. Now, it can take a few minutes. It's not always a quick process, but again, just rub the paper off until you're completely satisfied with it. And these heat transfers, you can buy a number of places. I'm gonna prepare a vendor list later on once I get done with this order. Now, again, sometimes you'll have to wet that rag a couple of times. I think I wet mine like 3 times doing this shirt. But once we get finished with it, you'll see, just take a little water and a cloth and take your time and rub that paper off of there. So when you see that happen, do not throw that transfer away. So that's the thing, going back, making sure that if you have something that's a hot peel, cold peel, know the difference, because if you peel it at the wrong time, it will get stuck on there, that paper. Or if you don't apply enough pressure, it's a number of reasons that it can happen. You don't have enough heat. So when you buy these transfers, most vendors will tell you the heat you're going to use and the number of seconds you'll need to use to apply that heat and pressure to get that transfer to apply properly. Now, once you get done and you're satisfied with it, you're going to have to shake that paper off. The big pieces, of course, will just fall off. Just take your time, rub it off the shirt. Then the shirt will dry and you can package it up and give it to your customer at the end of the day. But again, you did not waste money and you did not throw that transfer away. So, I mean, again, just shake that shirt off. You may have to, do that a few times. I think you can even get, a lint brush. I mean, anything to get that paper off once you're satisfied with your work there. So, yeah, again, the shirt may be a little damp. Don't put it in the dryer yet. I would just let that air dry. Once the air dries, you'll be able to get the rest of that paper off. And then, voila, give it to your customer. So I'm satisfied with it. Again, work until you're satisfied. Thank you for watching. Again, Pat White with Ocean Grove Duca. All right, again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and come back for more. Thank you.